Hello everybody, please smash that like button if your vote is for a live stream of all the bikes collecting from Windsor, Ontario all the way to Ottawa, Ontario. So I repeat, if you would like me to go to Windsor and start streaming the collection of bikes in Windsor, then we go to London, then on to the rest of the stops to see all the bikes that slowly add up to the grand rally that will arrive Friday at around 6 p.m. in Ottawa. So on the comment section below, go ahead and make a comment and smash that like button. Whichever video gets the most likes, that will be the live stream we provide on Friday, April 29th. Thank you.